This video is only of interest if you have followed the previous episodes of this playlist on how to set up an optimized HubSpot portal, because it will revisit the points that we have already discussed in all the previous videos. So if you're still here, I assume that you followed the playlist. You already have set up your properties, your objects, adapt the 4 pillars of your portal, so lifecycle, lead status, sales pipeline, and task to your internal processes. Organize the different views for your sales team, define their access, their meeting links, email templates, etc., and you invite them to join your portal. Now it's time to take the time to explain to them how to use this super optimized portal. I advise you to have them connect to the platform, fill all the general tab information as explained to the dedicated video if they haven't done it yet, and start to present them the different pages relevant to their activity. So basically it will involve the contact view page, so show them how to manipulate the advanced filters if needed. Then you will show them the specific record page, telling them what they can find on the left, on the activities, on the right with the association, etc. And the last page you want them to know about is the tasks page. So you need to show them how it works, how they can manipulate the data, how they can add filters, and how they can do their task. And you show them an example with a fake task you would have created for that occasion. And once that's done, you need to go back to your buyer journey diagram and take the time to revisit each step and show simultaneously what action they need to do at each stage of the journey. So for instance, you will go through all the different steps with him, and for instance, if the lead doesn't reply to the phone call, they need to update the lead status and create a task. So you can go to a spot and do it with them. So go to Frank Bonnell contacts, said he hasn't replied the phone, so I go to lead status, I put attempted to contact, I save, I go to task, and I can create a callback task in 3 business days and create. So you get it, you just do it for every single action of your buyer journey and you will be good to go. Once that's done, you can show them like all the additional features such as how to call a lead, how to send a mail, how to use templates and snippets in their emails, how to implement documents in their communication, etc. The most important thing is to regularly monitor their actions on the portal to ensure that everything is well applied and make yourself available to assist them as needed. I hope you enjoy this video. If it's the case, don't forget to put a thumbs up, to subscribe to this channel, and to save this playlist to make sure you don't miss any new chapter of this free training. And don't forget the link in the description below that gives you this free access to all the content of this free training, plus more additional content on how to set up your HubSpot portal in the most efficient way possible. For those who are discovering me through this video, I'm Grégoire, HubSpot expert for more than 7 years now, and I will see you very soon for more HubSpot tips.